Today, we are covering a powerful technique called iterative prompting. This is your secret weapon for refining AI outputs to perfection instead of starting from scratch every time. Iterative prompting means having a conversation with the AI. You give it an initial prompt, review its response, and then provide follow up instructions to guide it closer to your ideal outcome. It's about refining, not restarting. Let's see this in action. Say you ask the AI, write a short social media post for a virtual assistant. The AI gives you a decent but pretty generic post. Not bad, but we can do better. Here's our first iteration. Instead of accepting the generic, we'll refine the prompt by adding more specificity. We'll tell the AI, write a short social media post for a virtual assistant. Focus on time management tips for small business owners. See, the AI immediately adapts, providing more targeted content. That's better, but let's go further. For our next iteration, let's add some tone and a call to action. We'll tell it, use an encouraging tone and include a call to action to visit a website. Now the post feels warmer and actively guides the reader towards your goal. And for our final polish, perhaps we need this post for a platform with a character limit. So we'll add a constraint. Keep it under 100 characters. The AI now delivers a concise, engaging, and perfectly formatted post, ready for immediate use. The magic of iterative prompting is in its systematic approach. You're not just guessing, you're problem solving. Each iteration addresses a specific issue with the previous output, whether it's a lack of focus, an uninspired tone, or a formatting problem. It's about diagnosing the issue and applying the right fix step by step. This technique applies to any AI task. Need a professional email? Start with a rough draft and iterate to perfect the tone. Writing an article? Start with a basic outline and iterate to add detail, research, or a unique angle. Iterative prompting turns the AI into a collaborative partner in your creative and professional workflow. Did you see how just small additions and refinements to our original prompt led to a vastly superior result? Iterative prompting allows you to guide the AI with precision, building on previous outputs rather than starting over from scratch. Remember these key steps. Analyze the initial output. Refine the prompt by adding details, tone, or constraints. And repeat until you achieve your desired result. This technique is a cornerstone of effective AI use. Practice it and you'll find yourself consistently achieving perfect AI generated content.